Hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, what do you got? I got potatoes, I got some corn, I've got ham steak, and I've got a cast iron griddle. And you're saying, whoa, where are you going to go with all that? We're going to go on the Cosori toaster, roaster, air fryer, oven, folks. And let's start with these potatoes and get those in there. Yeah, oh man, this is going to be delicious. All right, folks, got everything all cut up and got some zang stir fry all on there. Oh, folks, why haven't you tried this? Garlic infused, this stuff is really good. And then my favorite, Nature Seasoning from Morton's. And then, yeah, a little bit of Mrs. Dash. It'll work really well with this. And we got the broiler played out, and that's going to go on. I'll tell you what, I'll get it on there, give you a look-see. All right, so on the Cosori air fryer, toaster, roaster oven, this thing's actually a rotisserie too. I haven't even used that yet, but I've got it on the broil feature. And you can see it tells you to put the broil on the top shelf, and that's where we got the broiler pan. And we'll just got her going. And we'll give you a look-see or two as these brown up. Folks, after they brown up a little bit, if they're not done, I could cover them with tinfoil to cook a little bit faster, get a little steam into them. But we'll just see how this goes. First time trying this. All right, folks, after 15 minutes, the smell is fantastic. That garlic from the zangs. And then look at how they're browning up. Oh, man. Yeah, we're going to keep on going here, folks. This is going a lot better than I thought it would because I've never done this before, but we'll keep going, give you a couple more look-sees, and then, once we get these off, put that cast iron plate in. In fact, I could put it in beforehand because I'm going to put it down low and get ready for that ham steak. All right, folks, so I called an audible here. I tasted a couple of the potatoes, and man, they were almost done. So what I've done is I've decided to switch from broil to bake, which I've done, and you can do that too. And we're gonna set at 450, and we can actually even put the fan on. But we've got that cast iron plate in there. We're gonna start preheating that as we finish cooking up our taters. So hopefully once the potatoes are almost done, then we'll put that ham steak on. Oh man, are you getting hungry? Because I am. All right, I'm just blown away on how fast those potatoes are cooking. They're pretty much done. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna continue heating this up. I'd probably need about another 5 minutes to get this cast iron up to temp, and then we're gonna pull the potatoes off, and then heat up our ham steak. Oh man, look at that ham steak sizzle away there. I wasn't expecting that much moisture. I'll give it a quick flip, give you a look-see. Oh man, look at the nice color on that. It's about ready to come off. I'll tell you, we'll give you a look-see once it's all plated up. Ham steak and taters, all on this little air fryer, toaster, roaster oven from Cosori. Oh man, look at the steam coming off there. I'll tell you what, I was hoping for some grill lines, but there was so much moisture in there that that wasn't like my new tray. So let's take a look at that ham. Oh man. It's my favorite. Folks, all this on a little toaster, roaster, air fryer from Cosori. I'll tell you what, turned out great. I'm going to eat. I hope you folks enjoyed this. Tom Horseman YouTube, please subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up, and as always, thank you.